Looking like that, you don't even know what you're doing to me. You got my buzz back, girl, my buzz back, girl. Woke up hungover this morning, I called you.
Hey guys, Jamie Foxx here, Zippo Encore 2014. Here with Jared Neiman, Keith Urban at the Raise 'Em Up tour. Stick with me as I check them out.
Well, the truth, well, it hurts to say. I'm gonna pack up my bags and I'm gonna go away.
Hey guys, Jamie Foxx here, and I want to know what makes you a country fan.
The boots.
The boots. Well,
The boots, yeah.
A good sell, but it's good music you can listen to while with the windows down, sun's out. It's perfect.
that one moment where you're like, oh, country music is my jam. I like country.
When I was little, my dad listened to some Shania Twain. We caught him rocking out to some Shania Twain when I was really little. That kind of got it started, but...
He feels like a woman.
Yes, exactly. That's what we caught him listening to.
I want to know what makes you guys country fans. The Hot Man. The Hot Man. That's the first one I've heard. Please explain. We got Wranglers.
Hats or cowboy boots or hats.
The tight V-necks with the sweats.
So, what makes you guys a true country fan?
The Hot Men.
Hot Men. I said that earlier. What's hot? This guy's modeling for you behind you. Who wants to sing me a song?
Libby's a good singer.
Libby. We have Libby from Missouri who's going to sing Lover Lover by Jared Neiman.
You don't treat me no good no more. Good lover, lover, lover. You don't treat me no good no more.
Yeah, Libby.
Looking like that, you don't even know what you're doing to me. You got my buzz back, girl, my buzz back, girl. Woke up hungover this morning, I called you.
All right, Jared.
Yes, my
You've been
dear
on
friend
tour-
Jamie.
You've been on tour for how long now?
It's our fourth show.
Is there like a favorite city you have?
You know, I look forward to getting out to the West Coast. It's just really, I have a friend named Jamie Foxx that lives out there. That
House of Blues. You guys playing House of Blues?
we're going to be doing this fall. We're doing House of Blues tour,
That's great.
and which is exciting. It's going to be called the Permanent Damage Tour.
What do you think is like the biggest crowd getter going? Like, which song is it you put on? Is it the Donkey song, or it's like Drink to That All Night?
You know, I think right now, Drink to That All Night, just being the most current song we've had on the charts, overall probably is the strongest fire starter. But I will say, Donkey is an anomaly of its own. The fact that while Drink to That All Night was at #1, people were screaming Donkey during the whole show.
I think the donkey's here, right?
Here, boy!
Is the donkey
Where's my trusty steed? There he is. Right out of the pasture.
Do you like playing donkey? Yeah. What kind of noises does donkey make?
He has his tonsils are coming out on Tuesday, so he's a little crusty, a little rusty, a little dusty, a little musty.
Yeah.
But the ladies think it's cool. I kick it with a mule. I feel the glass and tipping back. They dig the way I ride that ass, and I do. You would if you could too. They all walk funny when they're done riding. You know who?
If you painted yourself green and stood next to the donkey, you would be Shrek. You know what I mean?
Why, thanks.
Yeah.
You know, I always thought I had some of the similar face structure.
All right, Jared Neiman, Keith Urban.
Raise 'em up.
Raise him up.
Here. Jamie Foxx, Jared Neiman, and of course Zippo.
Encore.
Cheers.
Cheers. Zippo Encore! Zippo Encore! Zippo Encore!
Looking like that, you don't even know what you're doing to me. You got my buzz